Do you want to run any operating system on your machine without installation? Let me show you one wonderful online tool that you can use and run any operating system by just using your browser. Open online tool, onworks.net in your browser. After opening it in the browser, you will see many operating system options like CentOS, Fedora, Ubuntu, Debian and Windows etc. To run the operating system, you need to simply press the Run Online button. I will run the Ubuntu. I will press the Run Online button. Now, click the Start button to run the operating system. It will prepare the operating system for you in a few seconds. Now your operating system desktop is ready, just press the Enter button. See, the Ubuntu desktop is ready in the browser. You can use it now. I will open the terminal and will run the command just to check if that is working. If you want, you can shut down it. It's like a virtual machine that you are using in your browser. Now, there are other operating systems that you can try. I believe it's very useful when you want to learn any operating system. So, try it now. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.